this video, we're going to have a look at the distributive law. The distributive law says that multiplying a number by the sum or the difference of numbers is the same as doing each multiplication separately. Let's look at an example of each. 3 times bracket 2 plus 4, multiplying a number by a sum. It's the same as doing each multiplication separately. That is 3 times 2 plus 3 times 4. So we can get 6 plus 12 is 18. Now let's have a look at a sum. For instance, 4 times 6 minus 3. It's the same as going 4 times 6 minus 4 times 3. We get 24, take away 12, which is 12. Now you may be asking, why would we use that? Let's have a look at some examples where it is useful. 6 times 204. Now that's a large number to multiply. So what we can do is separate it and say, well, it's 6 times 200 plus 6 times 4. And we do this all the time without knowing it was the distributive law. So we get 1200 plus 24, which is 1224. Another example is kind of doing the distributive law backwards. For instance, if you had the sum 16 times 6 plus 16 times 4. Both are being multiplied by 16. So we can put 16 as the number at the front and 6 plus 4. We get 16 times 10, which is 160. That's a lot easier than multiplying 16 times 6 and adding it to 16 times 4. Another example, 26 times 3 minus 24 times 3. They're both being multiplied by 3, so we can put the 3 out the front, times 26 minus 24. 3 times 2 is 6. So they're both being multiplied by 3, the number out the front.